So class, today we are going to learn about linear equations. The standard we're looking at is 8EEC7, and it is to analyze and solve linear equations in pairs of simultaneous line equations, and specifically number 7, solve linear equations in one variable. So the question we are going to look at today is solve 5x plus 1 equals 2x plus 7 in two different ways. We will do it symbolically and using pictures. Symbolically is the way you usually do with equations, and we have done it in class several times. So I'm going to do symbolically first, and then we'll go through and draw the pictures. So symbolically, switch colors. This color is not working very good. Okay, so we're going to write out our equation. 5x plus 1 equals 2x plus 7. So we are going to want to solve for x. So we need to decide how we're going to solve for x. So we have learned that you want to get the x's on one side, so you want to minus 1 from each side. So it will be 5x equals 2x plus 6. So you can tell that there's x's on both sides still, so we need to find out a way that we will get it to one side. So what do you think we should do?
Move 2x.
Move 2x. So we will want to subtract 2x from both sides. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Bring down your x. So it would be 3x equals 6. I'm going to move up so everybody can see. So 3x equals 6. So we have the x's on one side, so now we need to solve for x. So what are we going to do to solve for x? Yes, we will divide each side by 3. So x equals 6 divided by 3, which equals 2. Correct. Okay, so that's the symbolically way. And the next we will do pictures. I'm gonna have to, actually I think I could fit it. So first, we're going to draw a balance, because we want our equations to be balanced. So we will do 5 x's. So we could just pick anything for x, so maybe we'll just do circles for the x's. And then there's 1, so we could do 1 square. Then for the 2x plus 7, we'll do 2 circles and 7 squares. So we will use this picture to solve the equation like we did symbolically. So what was the first step that we took when we did it symbolically? Yes, we minused 1 from both sides. So we will want to cross out 1 there and 1 square there. So that leaves us with 5 x's and then on one side and 2x plus 6 on the other side. So what was our next step in our symbolically way? We minused 2x from both sides. So we will want to take away these 2 x's and take away 2 x's from this side. So that leaves us with 3x equals 6. So how are we gonna find out what x is? So we have 3x's equals 6. So we are going to want to divide these 3x's. Take 3x's here. So that will leave us x equals 6x, or 6 over 3, which what we learned earlier equals 2. Are there any questions?